How to make money with Shein affiliate program. Hey guys, and welcome to this video where I talk about Shein affiliate program and how to earn money from it. For people who don't know what Shein affiliate program is, it's a marketing initiative offered by Shein that allows you to earn commission by promoting Shein products on your website, blog, or social media channels. Participant in this program known as affiliates receive unique tracking links that they can use to promote GA vast product or vast range of product. When a customer makes a purchase through an affiliate's link, the affiliate earns a commission on the sale. Most of you guys know what Shein is, with various product over 2 million items on their store, and they're constantly coming out with new fashion products. Shein has become one of the largest and most popular web store now, so that's why I can say you can or you have more chance to earn money by being an affiliate program in Shein. But the question is how we can sign up. As you can see here, there is no link to get to Shein affiliate program. So what you have to do is using the website called cg.com. Let's move to the home page just to more or to know more details about this website. This website will help you or will help us to join and become an affiliate program in Shein. CG Affiliate, for people who don't know, it's a leading global affiliate marketing network that connects advertisers with publishers to promote products and services. And CG got a lot of brands, and Shein is one of the partner. And to promote or to more understand and get information, you can just read this information over here about, for example, the platform, solutions, partnerships, resources, and about us. So if you want to more understand the website, how its work, you can just read this information over here. And if you want to get started, you can just click here or scroll down over here, and then you will have these two parts. First of all, if you want to get started as advertiser and agencies, or if you want to start as a publishers and influencers, this is the one you gotta choose. You can click over here, sign up, and then as you can see, we have here the information to fill in. We have here our we can need it select your language. As you can see, there's various languages, and you can select your country, and then your email, your password, and then you confirm your password, and then you will verify your email. You will receive a link after clicking here and filling your information. You will receive a message on email to verify your email. After accepting terms and conditions, you have to activate your account by adding user information and complete your profile, and then you submit your forms and your added payment information. Here you must complete your company details and tax information before you can enter your banking information, and then you will answer for a few questions, then you will activate your account. So let's see over here if we can add user information. Here you can add your first name, your last name, your email, your phone, your title, and your status as operator or analyzer or a link user, and your password. Then you confirm your password. Here we have the communication preference. For the general communication is account news or legal financial, and advertiser communication is advertiser messaging or program terms change or deactivation and reactivation. After adding your user information, then moving to complete your profile. Here you will add description by clicking here, edit, and then you will tell the potential for tell the potential advertiser why they should consider your website for their program, and then you will click here save the template for your user information. After completing your profile, then you will add here your property. All you have to do is click here, create a property, and then you will answer for this question. For example, what type of property is it? Is this is a website or a social or email, mobile app, browser extension, services and tools, paid displayed ads, paid search engine marketing, direct. I do not see my property type listed here if it's not listed here. So then we move to define your promotional model. Is it campaign block, media, coupon deal, product comparison reviews or discoveries, loyalty cashback, loyalty non-cash reward, loyalty closed user group, trademark bidding, influencer pay per call, or you don't see your promotional model listed here, then you will name your promotional property and then your promotional property description. It's optional one, by the way. And then you will define your tags by entering your tags here. For people who didn't understand how they will choose their promotional property, let's see, for example, for social, if you are active in social media and you have a lot of followers, you can utilize your social media channels such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest to promote, or TikTok to promote your or Shein products. Share affiliate links along with engaging caption, images, or videos that highlight the benefits or features of the products you're promoting. Let's see, for example, if you choose email. If you have an email list, you can promote Shein's product to your subscribers through targeted email campaigns, craft compelling email newsletters, or product recommendations that encourage subscribers to click on your affiliate links and make purchases. Then you will add your submit forms by clicking here. You will, for example, fill in your organization name, postal code, address, city or town, state or province or phone, fax, official or functional currency, language, and date format. Then you will add payment information after completing your company details and tax information, and then you will click just over here and answer this question just to help CG members to set you on the right path. And then you will activate your account, and then you can make money by sharing links, using your own promotional method. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you in the next video.